Welcome to the weekly report. This is Fred Razak, Senior Trading Strategist here at CMTrading, and we're reviewing the week of September 1st to September 5th of 2025. So looking at the biggest event of the week, it's gold exploding to new all-time record highs. It did sell off afterwards, but it did make all-time record highs this past week. Now looking at the market, starting out with the Forex symbols, the major pairs really unchanged week to week. And as we shift over to the indices, the Dow Jones and the NASDAQ slightly lower this past week as starting their September sessions. Now looking at commodities, gold wasn't the only one that had some activity. Crude oil also selling off this past week to $63 a barrel. And looking at the stocks, Google had a huge gap and go, and all-time record highs for Google as Chrome remains part of Google's umbrella. And lastly, looking at cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin slightly lower this past week. Now looking at the upcoming major economic events of this week. So we have on Wednesday, September 10th, from the United States, we have a Producers Price Index number coming out. And then on Thursday, September 11th, yes, it's September 11th once again, we have a main refinancing rate from the euro, and from the United States we have a CPI, core price index number coming out. And lastly, on Friday, September 12th, from the United States we have a preliminary U of M consumer sentiment number coming out. So that's it on the weekend review. We'll see you here next week, everybody. Have a good weekend.
My advice, this is the best time to trade.